2024 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo Van. This van transports any and all cargo to its final destination. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as turbocharged engine, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, adjustable steering wheel. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!